How to activate ABN AMRO debit card. Here's step-by-step guide to activate your ABN AMRO debit card. Check your mailbox. You will receive your new debit card, a PIN code, and an activation code. Open the debit card envelope. Take the card out and keep the letter safe. Read the instructions. The letter will mention the activation process and the phone number to call. Keep your details ready. You will need your account number, card number, and activation code. Call the activation number and follow the voice instructions. Select the option for card activation. Enter your details. Type in your account number and card number when asked. Input the code you received in the activation letter. Confirm your identity. The system may ask additional verification questions. Wait for confirmation. You'll hear that your debit card is successfully activated. Test your card. Use it at an ATM or in a shop to check that it works. After activation, you can link the card to the ABN AMRO app or internet banking. Thanks for watching.